To add an image to a Microsoft Word document, first open the file. Click on the area in the document where you would wish to place the image. Click Insert. Click Pictures. Click from this device. Select the image. Resize by clicking the top right circle and grab the image to resize it. Center if necessary. Click on the image and select View Alt Text from the drop-down menu. If it is a decorative image, click to mark it as such. Click in the box if you want to add your own description. Or you can click Generate Alt Text for me. AI will describe the image. Highlight and delete any unnecessary details. You may also edit the generated text. Save the file, and now you have an accessible image in your Microsoft Word document.